Hello everyone to my location check number 3. This is about the Rostiger Nagel, also called Rostiger Nagel, in the southern area of Brandenburg. That's the state that surrounds Berlin. This is a 30-meter tall, interesting architectural structure with a triangular bottom shape and a lot of staircases leading up to an incredible observation deck. This observation deck oversees a few lakes that are surrounded and a channel that connects them. There's a small bridge, and right by it is a little parking lot where you will end up with your car. So really, really close to your car, you can pretty much unpack and you don't have to carry anything any far. The staircases face east, so behind the Rostiger Nagel from this side, you will have this incredible sunset with clouds and so on, if you're up for that. I, of course, was looking for the blue hour and then later at night so I can do some light painting. With my camera, I was setting up right next to that little road you see here. I used a 14mm and a 60mm lens. And then I just chose some torches, put some colorful gels on it, and ran up and down the staircases. Like I said, it's 30 meters. You should be somewhat fit, or you just expose it a little bit longer. But that depends on how early you start in the blue hour. So later at night you can do whatever you want, have some 20-minute long exposures. I haven't done any very fancy, complex setups there, just lightening it up from the left and right side, so nothing really fancy. I'll be interested in what you come up with. If you want to do some Milky Way shots, you see that the back side is fairly flat steel structure, so there's no texture to it, but that way you would look into the core of the Milky Way, which I think is possible. There are not too many villages around that would emit a lot of light, so there's not much light pollution. Should be okay too. Yeah, like I said, here are two more impressions of pictures that I took there. Used a little bit of a smoke up there and a little bit of steel wool. Right? Bring a fire extinguisher. Anyhow, I think this location is really cool. The shots I got, I have to thank for some help for Daniela Elsner and Frank Bagowski. So lots of thanks this way. If you like this location check, give me a like, follow me. It's up to you. Comment. If you have more questions, just get back to me. Okay? Thank you very much.